What's up, good people? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Today we're going to talk about Cardano, and we're going to look at the price prediction, and we're going to discuss why I am so bullish on ADA. That and more.
Don't judge Bitcoin mining as a energy bad guy.
For those of you that's new to the page, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, make sure you hit all. If you've been rolling with me for a while, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps to keep me alive. Let's get right into Cardano, ADA, and where I think everything is. I'm going to start off by giving you a buy-in price of $1.24 and $1.11. Those are my buy-in prices. I'm just going to go right to that. So if it goes down to $1.24, this is me personally. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. We're just discussing finances. You have to do your own research. My buy-in price, if it goes under $1.24, I'm going to buy some. And if it drops down to $1.11, I'm going to buy more. And I'm very bullish on Cardano, all right? Or as my country friend Ron Lewis called it, Cardano. Give me some of that Cardano. I got me some of that Cardano, Larry. So that's where I am with Cardano. And so let's just dive into what some other analysts are talking about. First of all, let's talk about the market cap. I'm going to put these on. It is actually, as far as crypto is concerned, it has the 5th largest market cap and growing. Let's go right into some charts here, and then we'll go from there, right? All right, so you're going to find price predictions all over the place for Cardano. Let's do a dive. All right, here I found this chart, and it has a price prediction for 2021, 22 through 25. And I believe that these price predictions are very, very bearish. I believe that they're very conservative. My price prediction, even by the end of 2021, is somewhere in the area of $5 because Cardano, there's so much riding on Cardano, right? So let's go right here, 2021. You have a low potential and a high potential, right? So the low potential, the high potential is $3.29. As you can see, the low is $1.89. I'm only going to deal with the high potentials because the low potentials, I think, me personally, I think they're too low. Remember, this is all speculative. We all know that crypto has these crazy mood swings. It'll swing 30, 40% in a day like it's nothing. All right? Nature of the beast. So they're saying by the end of this year, it has the potential to reach $3.29. I think it's going to reach higher than that. I think it's going to be $5 by the end of this year. In a perfect world, right? And they said by 2022, $5.17, and by 2025, $12.37. Those of you that's been following me, you know 2025 is my year. Most of my portfolio, my long-term high growth stock, I'm building for 2025. Not meaning I'm going to cash out. That's when I expect everything to explode. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? Cardano is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies, and it might be a good investment if you are planning a long-term investment. Remember, my crypto plays or my cryptos right now, I'm not swing trading crypto. I'm investing for long-term. Does Cardano have a future? Cardano is one of the coins with a good potential, which means that the future looks promising, right? Can Cardano hit $50? ADA could moonshot to $50. Cardano needs 4.5 times the market cap to reach the level of ETH, all right, Ethereum. Will Cardano hit $10? It might take some time, but it can reach if the developers happen as per the roadmap. So the developers saying, yes, it's going to hit $10 because that's part of their plan, their layout. Me personally, I think it's going to hit the $50. And I know this is extremely bullish on a lot of my plays. I'm more conservative, but I believe, Larry Jones, I believe that Cardano by the end of 2025 could hit $50. And here's one of the reasons why. Adoption. There's so much adoption of Cardano, ADA, and when they get through building out the entire platform and everything is proven, I believe Cardano is going to explode. And I believe the next cycle, when the next cycle starts with Cardano, I believe a lot of people are going to be surprised at the price point. If you look at year over year, how it has grown, should I say cycle, how it has grown since 2017, it has exploded and it has room to explode again. And for those of you that don't think that crypto is here to stay, I'm going to play you a 30-second clip of a senator. And I want you to see how she is gleaming about Bitcoin miners. Listen to this.
Senator Lummis, thank you so much for taking some time to talk with me today and for joining CNBC's Financial Advisors Summit. Really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure, Elon.
So you have been representing Wyoming and Washington for a very long time. You were a congresswoman. Now you're the first female senator from the state. And you recently founded something called the Financial Innovation Caucus. Tell us what that is and who the members are.
Wyoming has been a leader in developing financial institutions to work with cryptocurrency. And because Wyoming was the first state to establish a set of laws that are now being used to charter new banks in cryptocurrency and take them through the Federal Reserve process and integrate them into the traditional fiat currency world, I took an interest in this issue. So along with Kyrsten Sinema, the senator from Arizona, we have founded the Innovation Caucus, and it's bipartisan. There are members from all over the country. When you drill an oil well, a gas well, for a while it's not hooked up to a pipeline. So the product, especially gas, is being vented into the air. Well, now these Bitcoin miners are pulling in a trailer, hooking up to that vented gas and using it to mine Bitcoin. So they're actually
mining to help mining.
Exactly. And doing it in a way that keeps carbon out of the air and uses it to produce another product, Bitcoin. So there's a lot of innovation that's happening behind the scenes. So I would say don't judge Bitcoin mining as a energy bad guy. There are a lot of things going on that prove otherwise.
This is one of the things I believe, and I really believe it to be so. I put my money behind it. There is no stopping Bitcoin. There is no stopping decentralized currency. We can try it, but there's no stopping. And just like you heard the senator gleaming about it, you can rest assured she's trying to convince other senators. And all they're going to do is regulate it so they can make their money off of it. They want their taxes. You know, Pharaoh wants his money. And so that's what it's all about. And they want to control it. And believe it or not, the more they control it, the more adoption it is. Actually, the better case it is for all of crypto. And I forestated in an earlier video that the fact that the miners, Bitcoin miners, are leaving China, which is a centralized country, a dictatorship, and it's a decentralized currency, those two don't go together. So they need to go to other places. And as you heard the senator talking about, one of the places is America. And I know that they're going to other countries, but they're coming to America. And it's coming to America. Y'all know the movie. So, hey, it's going to explode. I believe there's a lot of upswing to it, a lot of upside to it. You'll see a lot of videos out there comparing it to Ethereum, which one, which one you should have and all of that. Most smart people have them both, Ethereum and Cardano. I do not believe one is going to cancel out the other. Here's another one. Check this out. This is a Twitter guy, someone who tweets. His username is Crypto Capo or Crypto Capo, right? Here it is. He is one of the leading voices on cryptocurrencies on social media platforms. He regularly posts price predictions, charts, and discussions about various cryptos to his more than 122,000 followers. Now he's joining in on Cardano price prediction with a high estimate for ADA. According to Crypto Capo, ADA will reach, let me get that off, $40 by 2020. He's saying that by the year 2022, I'm sorry, I'm looking right at it. By the year 2022, next year from now, he's saying that it will hit $40. So my two most bullish coins is Cardano and Ethereum. And short term, I'm more bullish on Cardano. Long term, Ethereum. And so that's where I am with the whole game, good people. I just wanted to point this out to you as a point of discussion. Excuse me. And I want you guys to leave me a comment and tell me where you think Cardano is going to be by the end of this year and where Cardano is going to be by the end of 2025. No pie in the sky, $1 million. Let's be real and let's help each other out, because there's going to be a lot of millionaires made through cryptocurrencies, right? So there's room for stocks and cryptos to both thrive, okay? But we have to know when and where to plant them. The reason why I wanted to do this video right now, because I believe that Cardano will revisit these prices really soon. So I don't want to make it when it's up $2. I want to make this video now so that you guys could have this on your radar. All right, good people. Hey, I just heard that Robinhood is going through a lawsuit. They got to pay a big fine, millions and millions, tens of millions of dollars. A lot of people are leaving Robinhood. I have two platforms that I love. One is Fidelity and the other is Webull. And Webull, if you get into Webull right now, I have a link below provided. Download it, deposit $100, you get 2 free stock. There's all kind of promotions. You can get up to $2,300 in free stock. And then there's another program that they have that you can get an additional $8,000 by sharing your link. So I have a link provided below. Go ahead, download it, read all of the instructions, read all of the claim your free stock, and be able to trade pre-market and post-market. And that way you can get a jump on things, if things, especially during earning seasons, when they have these earnings report after close of bell, you will be able to trade after and earlier the next morning. All right, good people. I'm sorry. I'm a little congested from these allergies. They got me jacked up today, but you guys pray for me. I'll pray for you. Remember, always in signing off, live, love, laugh, and learn.